especially yung P-pop, which is unti-unti po siya talagang
I'm loving the little finger heart in the background there.
Known globally. So I think pushing P-pop in the global talaga.
Just so naughty. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Forever Here. I hope that you are all doing well. You know the drill by now. There's lots of little things that I want to watch and I'm saving to watch with you. If you were to have a look at the description below, you will see a link to the original uploads. So a huge thank you to the YouTube account that is Soleil, because they have uploaded and subbed all 3 of these. Amazing. Thank you so much. You're definitely making me feel included in all of the stuff that's going on, SB19 and solo members and solo careers and so on and so forth. They are just so busy and I'm really looking forward to catching up. So let's begin here. I am looking forward to Philippe talking about his collaboration with PUBG and how apparently it's a dream come true. Shall we find out why?
So, how important is this collab with PUBG for you and your community?
Sobrang importante sa akin to kasi sobrang fan ako ng PUBG and I've been playing PUBG for 5 years now and until now, di pa rin ako tumitigil even though hindi naman ako ganun kagalingan. It's just, nandun lang ako para mag-enjoy talaga, mag-spend time with my friends. And of course, na-represent ko yung ano ko, kung saan ako lumaki.
Is he like on the set of a photo shoot?
Na-incorporate ko dun sa, for example, gumawa kami ng voice pack which is, naririnig niyo yung boses ko dun. So, may mga Bisaya lines din dun. So,
oh, really?
I'm just so proud kasi parang first time ata na may Bisaya na lines sa voice pack sa PUBG. So, ayun, sobrang grateful ako sa lahat. Especially to PUBG sa pagbigay ng opportunity nito para sa akin.
That's amazing.
How did you feel when you found out that you were going to collaborate with PUBG?
The camera can't handle him.
Sobrang masaya ako na akala ko ako na yung pinakamasayang tao sa mundo. I've been dreaming that for a long time. Kinukwento ko pa sa mga kaibigan ko na pag ako nabigyan talaga ng pag ako napansin ni PUBG tapos maka-work kami. And kasi hindi naman ako pro player pero ayun nga, as an artist, I was just so happy na they recognized me, they recognized my music and of course dahil na rin sa support ng fans, that's why PUBG naging interesado din si PUBG sa akin. Yeah.
Could you briefly walk us over on the creative?
He seems so relaxed. Perhaps this is on the set of like when he was filming all the PUBG content?
It was really, parang nagtutulungan talaga kami. Kasi as an artist kasi parang meron din akong creative direction and of course si PUBG meron din silang creative, kumbaga, meron silang vision pagdating sa nila, sa project na to. That's why nag-meet kami halfway. And pinag-usapan namin ng matindi and medyo mahabang proseso siya kasi return and balik din sa akin kung okay ba. So
that's really awesome. Again, I'm learning so much stuff from this because I didn't realize. I thought it would be when you're working with someone like that, I did think that you would just be given this like mold to fit into and you might not have that much say in what you were doing, but this is absolutely fantastic to be able to meet halfway. That is just so great, and especially like someone that he wanted to work with. Honestly, I can see why it's a dream come true now.
Ganun lang naman yung namin, and then nagkikita kami personally to talk about the project. And ayun, I was just so happy kasi sobrang open ng PUBG talaga. Like sinasabi nila sa akin na be yourself, be genuine, kasi di rin namin gusto na parang pipilitin ka namin na ipagawa yung mga itong bagay which is hindi mo naman talaga, kumbaga hindi mo siya character, so pangit din na ipakita natin yun sa tao pero
awesome.
Hindi naman ikaw. So that's why I was so happy and I was surprised actually, to be honest, kasi wow, PUBG is so open with everything and tinatanggap nila yung visions ko din, especially kasi may mga kagustuhan rin ako, so nung binigay rin nila sa akin yung kagustuhan ko, I was just so happy and very thankful, and hindi ako nagkamali na i-support si PUBG and maglaro ng PUBG talaga and mahalin din yung PUBG.
Final message to your fans and fellow PUBG players who showed support towards you, the collab.
I just want to thank my fans dahil sa pag-support sa akin from the very beginning, sinusupport niyo ako until now. I was just so grateful with everything na natatanggap ko. And ayun, of course, sa mga ano din, sa mga my fellow PUBG players, PUBG Mobile players, um, and para sa mga fans na rin to, maging confident na kayo sa sarili niyo. And alam ko na masaya kayo na naglalaro kayo ng PUBG, but don't, wag masyadong mag-spend ng time too much kasi meron tayong mga responsibility din. And alam mo yun, studies natin, wag din natin kalimutan kasi alam ko, mostly sa atin is mga students din. So, ayun, yung responsibility natin, wag din natin kalimutan. And ayun, mag-enjoy lang kayo palagi sa paglaro ng PUBG. And ayun, enjoy nyo lang yung panta-trash talk sa mga kasama ninyo. So, ayun, spend time well with your friends. Yun. Enjoy.
That is just absolutely irresistible. Like, he looks like an absolute dream. I know the top is not red, but the red trousers is just, it pops on that skin color. And I like this kind of hair, this wet look hair. He's kind of got this, like, smoky eye. It took me ages to think about that because I'm not really into makeup like this. But he's got this smoky eye, which is really nice as well. And the rest of his skin seems really bare. He's just such a beautiful creature. And then to hear him talk, he seemed really relaxed here. And again, I like that he thinks. You could see the editing. He thinks before he speaks, whereas some people just ramble. And yeah, that's always a really pleasant quality to come across in somebody who's in the public eye, because he's never really going to get himself into trouble because he's so well thought out. And I really love this bit at the end because obviously he's promoting his collaboration with PUBG, but he's also like being really honest and saying, hey, don't neglect the rest of your life. You've got responsibilities, you've got other things to be getting on with, so be responsible in playing this game. And also I really like that I feel like he manifested this to happen because, like, he obviously is a fan of this game, and then he was thinking, oh, wouldn't it be great if I got to work with them? And I literally think this is one of those opportunities where he just manifested it, and it's just amazing. And you can see how grateful he is as well. And yeah, I just love it so much. I wish I could hear more of the trash talking. I mean, I don't think that Philippe is available for me if I were to play it here, but not that I'm good enough to even get to those levels anyway. But I'm just really glad that we've got the recordings and things here and there, so I can see what he got up to within the game.
Question ko sa ganun. Yung
So
pagkakaiba ni
dreamy.
Pablo noon at saka ngayon.
Pagkakaiba, sa totoo lang, wala naman po eh.
Mhm.
Pagkakaiba ni Pablo, siguro po, mas mature na. Sa lahat ng experiences ko, sa
Yeah.
buhay, ang dami kong pinagbago. Patunay po yung mga kagrupo ko, talagang, tsaka yung mga katrabaho ko po, sinasabi nila na, ang laki rin po talaga ng improvement. And nakikita ko rin naman sa sarili ko na marami talaga
Good.
natutunan kasi may mga bagay ako na ginagawa ko noon, pero ngayon hindi ko na siya ginagawa.
Not much, and then so much.
Pakiramdam ng isang sikat na grupo or individual person na gaya ng
Oh.
SB19.
Pakiramdam? Well, firstly, sobrang masaya po kami kasi yun naman po pangarap talaga namin to,
Yeah.
yung makamit or ma-achieve yung gusto namin mangyari as a singer or as a performer. Mostly thankful lang po sa lahat ng nangyayari kasi hindi naman to biro, hindi naman to basta-basta. And
Of
kahit
course.
sino man po tao, kapag nakamit po nila yung gusto nang mangyari sa buhay, for sure, magiging masaya po sila. Pero, yun nga po, syempre may
Good.
mga consequences. Kapag sumisikat ka,
Oh, new ring.
parang nandyan na po yung parang medyo limited na po yung freedom mo, hindi ka na pwede lumabas masyado.
Wasn't he wearing
Kasi
that on the first
ako po,
take too?
honestly, ayoko po nag-create ng commotion when lumalabas ako. For example po, nagpunta ako sa mall, tapos may nakita sa aking fan. Okay lang naman po magpa-picture, pero usually po kasi nangyari, kapag may nagpa-picture, parang nakokot yung attention ng ibang tao, tapos nakakahara na po kayo sa daan. So yun po, madalas talagang sa bahay lang, pag hindi sa bahay, office, if may kailangan sa malls, papabili na lang, kasi yun po yung mga iniiwasan. Pero, ayun po, masaya po. Mostly masaya.
Pero kung papipiliin ka, Pablo noon o Pablo ngayon?
Ngayon po, kasi po, sa totoo lang, syempre, ngayon, kumakain na kami lagi-lagi. Hindi po, parang, ngayon po, kumakain naman kami lagi-lagi, pero ngayon po, mas na-enjoy na po namin yung security na
Yeah.
earning. Kumbaga, kapag may gusto kaming food, nabibili namin, tapos ang dami ko rin pong learning learning pagdating sa
Oh,
kung paano
jeez.
mag-handle ng mga tao. Kung paano ako before, usually kapag may mga maling bagay, naiinis agad ako. Pero ngayon, I know how to approach things, I know how to talk to people. Dati, ayoko talaga nakikipag-usap. Pero ngayon, kailangan ko na.
Do I need to give you any more reasoning as to why this man needs his own podcast or needs to write a book in the future? He just says such wise things. Like, imagine somebody saying to you, like, what do you enjoy the most? And then you giving this whole answer, but then also saying, like, it's good that I'm able to put food on the table, good food on the table. It gives me security and I know how to deal with situations better. I think that people of this age don't always behave in this way, don't always have these thoughts. He's an incredibly special human being, because I think people would definitely be like, I want the finer things in life, having a big house, having, a sports car or something, stuff that you don't need but want. But he's talking about need, and I think he's always going to be like this, no matter how big, how rich, how famous Pablo gets. I think he's always going to be like this.
Kasi I have teammates, I have employees, onesie na tinulong namin na company. Ayun po, mga bagay-bagay na natutunan ko na hindi ko naman masasabi na masama lahat. Pero it's something na hindi ko pagpapalit kasi lahat po yung learning ko kasama ko.
Yeah.
Speaking of earnings, alam namin na malaki na kinikita ngayon ng SB19 or katulad mo, ikaw,
They're reinvesting
Pablo.
it.
Paano mo minamanage yung kinikita mo?
That's a bit of a personal question.
One rule lang, marami palang rule sa sarili ko. Firstly, kapag hindi mo kailangan, huwag mong bibilin. Tapos, if gusto mo, make sure na parang 5 times, kaya mo siyang bilhin ng 5 times. Yun lang po yung rule ko.
That's good money management.
Ngayon po, wala pa akong binibili masyado talaga. Kasi nag-iipon po ako for my own home, parang house. Malayo pa tayo.
Pero nagplano ko bang magnegosyo just in case na makaipon ka na?
Opo.
Anong klaseng negosyo?
Ang pangarap ko po talaga parang, ano bang tawag doon? Clothing brand po. Talaga. Kasi mahilig po ako
Really?
sa damit. Hindi lang po halata kasi hindi ako madalas doon. Gusto ko po comfortable clothes. Pero mahilig po ako mag-design din ng damit.
That doesn't mean anything, yeah.
Forma.
People would buy what you're wearing.
Okay.
Why is he so humble?
Kumusta na?
It hurts me.
Bawal pala itanong yun.
Now he wants to know.
Gusto mo ba sagutin? Okay. Saan na nakikita ang sarili mo ngayon? Pagdating ng takdang panahon. Balang araw.
Sa totoo lang po, sobrang masaya ako sa stage ng life ko po ngayon.
Good.
I'm a member of SB19. Meron po akong solo career as Pablo. Tapos po, meron po akong Onesie Entertainment, which is yun po yung kumpanya po namin na tinayo ng SB19. Recently po, nag-hold po kami ng auditions para sa new artist. So, I'm happy, and in the future, I think yung lahat ng, yun nga po, katulad sinabi ko, lahat ng learning ko, sobrang tinetreasure ko po yun. And gusto ko po siya ipasa sa mga susunod na mga katrabaho po namin, yung mga auditionees po. Excited na ako meet sila kasi gusto kong magkaroon ng kasama or bagong artist na pwede namin i-hone or tulungan.
We are so excited too.
Kumabot din yung dreams nila.
My last question. Sobrang sikat na ang SB19 ngayon sa ngayon. Darating ang araw na magsosolo ka na. Ikaw ba pinapangarap mo ring sumikat bilang solo artist?
He already is.
Firstly po, sa totoo lang po, if ikukwento ko po yung story ng SB19, hindi po ako pumasok sa SB19 para maging member ng SB19. Yung nagpa-audition po kasi, sabi, magiging solo artist po. Usually po kasi hindi ako magaling pagdating sa group setting kasi very strict po ako pagdating sa mga gusto kong gawin. And kapag sa grupo, laging may conversation, kailangan intindihin mo yung mga tao kasi ganito sila or ganito sila. Tapos po, nagulat ako, parang sinama ako sa grupo. So, napunta ako sa SB19. Pero, it's one of the blessing po na masasabi ko kasi
it was meant to be
working on a group setting. Pero syempre po, meron po akong stories na sa sarili ko, sa personal life ko, na gusto ko rin ibahagi sa mga tao. And isa po doon yung parang pag-create ng songs as Pablo, as a solo artist. So, definitely po, gusto ko rin pong makilala. Not really makilala, but gusto ko pong madinig ng mga tao yung mga awit na ginawa ko.
What?
Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Honestly, he's so incredibly humble. I love this get-up. It looks like he's at home. I wonder where this was filmed. He looked super relaxed. We could hear there were a few other people in the room with him as well. But even then, he seemed incredibly relaxed. And he's really good at answering questions and especially like going in depth in terms of like what something means to him or like what he sees in the future. He has a good vision and he's never really going to stray away from that. And I just want to hear from him extensively, please. Do you know what? I am saying I want to have a podcast from him, but in all honesty, I think I'd really love to read a book, like a really thick book that he's written, and like just mull over like every word and sentence and the structure and just everything, how it's been put together. I think he's going to be one of those people, and then like just to own it. It's slightly different than having a podcast. Maybe I'm a bit old school, but really nice to hear from him. I do wonder what that question was that could have been misinterpreted. Perhaps about his personal life? I'm not sure. But yeah, I really loved it. Like all the other members, he'll always say SB19 first before saying anything about himself, and he is incredibly humble, saying that, like, you know, what he wants as a solo artist. Pablo, you're already very known and very respected, not only in the fandom, but across P-pop and across your peers as well. And long may it continue.
Meron pa nga tayong questions para sa ating mga kings of P-pop. We have no other than SB19.
Yes. Finally.
Ayan, finally.
They're in the same place.
Narinig din na ba ako?
Yes po, meron na.
Oh, they're not. Why does it look like this?
Lahat.
Okay na po, ang lamig po dito.
I'm really confused. She'd sat in their studio, isn't she? I'm so confused. Pablo looks so pretty.
Sa studio.
Kaninong studio ba to?
Saan ba kayo? Okay, pero you know what, bago ko sa inyo sabihin yung question, no, gusto lang naman namin na i-congratulate again 100 million views ang mapa!
Ay, yay!
Salamat po.
Yes.
Siyempre, salamat 18.
Tama naman yan. Kasi naalala ko lang yung mapa, every time na pino-perform nyo sa live, naiiyak talaga ako. Yun pala yung sinasabi ko kanina. Yung gusto ko sabihin. But anyway, ito na nga. Well, we all know the Watson's playlist lasted 2023. You were invited as a performer, and now that you're joined, sobrang daming P-pop groups are also invited. Anong masasabi niyo dito? I mean, how do you feel about it?
Siyempre po, unang-una masaya po kami.
So
kasi
prior to last year, P-pop
nung
groups
dati
were not
po
invited?
nasisimula pa lang siyempre yung mga P-pop.
Sayang nga eh.
Parang hindi pa po nagkakaroon ng ganitong mga kalaking events, mga small conventions.
This is one of those
and
free
ngayon,
concerts, isn't it?
muna tayo sa mga dome, mga Araneta, and other domes, saka stadiums. Tsaka kakatuwa po kasi ito meron tayong katulad ni Watson's Playlist na syempre na willing magbigay sa atin ng ganitong klaseng plataforma para ipamalas po yung mga talents ng ating mga P-pop artists. Syempre po. Ayun, nakakatuwa po kasi may mga collaborations po ahead. And of course, excited po talaga kami sa mga bagong areglo, syempre mga bagong pinaghahandaan para dito sa big stage ng Watson's Playlist. Kaya super excited. And ayun, may gusto rin baka idagdag, guys.
Tama si Josh. Dahil nga po, parang from last year, kami and Beanie lang yung P-pop group sa Watson's Playlist. But ngayon, talagang for P-pop na yung concert ng Watson.
Was this the one where it's G22 and Alamat as well?
Super excited sa lahat ng collaborations.
The one that I want to go to.
And super happy lang talaga na mas nabibigyan ng pansin yung mga P-pop groups ngayon, yung music ng P-pop. So, sana marami pa tayong events with Watsons na ganito.
Yes, sana lahat po ng fandom mas lumakas pa at syempre, mas dumami pa, ipalagana pa natin ang P-pop power.
Any more from the group? Meron pa ba kayong gustong sabihin?
Ay, si Ken po, parang gusto
Parang masaya pa si Ken ngayon.
Oo nga. Ano ba gusto sabihin ni Ken? Go.
Go on then, Ken.
Ayun po, syempre, una po sa lahat, thank you po kay Watson sa pagbigay ng opportunity for us, and you know, para po gaya po ng sabi ni Josh kanina, i-showcase pa po yung Filipino talents, especially yung P-pop, which is unti-unti po siya talagang
I'm loving the little finger heart in the background there.
Known globally. So I think pushing P-pop in the global talaga.
Just so
mas
naughty.
bigyan pa ng ng suporta pa, and syempre yung ganitong platform po, sobrang laking tulong po to sa P-pop community para po mas makilala pa po globally. Kaya maraming salamat po, Watsons, and syempre sa lahat po ng artist na makilala makakasama namin dito mag-perform. Ayun, good luck po sa inyo lahat.
Masaya po talaga kami ha. Excited po kami.
Stel?
What about
Anything?
Stel?
Yan.
Okay. Hello,
Sunshine.
Marquez. Andiyan ka ba?
Siguro po gusto ko lang rin po i-add na bukod sa thank you kay Watsons for doing
What
this
a color on him.
great and amazing event. Gusto ko lang rin i-congratulate and magpasalamat sa lahat ng P-pop groups na talagang walang sawa din na nag-work hard para maabot.
I feel like I remember, I don't know whether he wore this exact same hoodie, but I feel like this color rings a bell. He wore something similar to this when he had his red hair at the beginning of Hug the Tug, and it's given me flashback. And at the moment he's looking really trim as well, like not that he's on an extreme diet or anything, but obviously he's busy, been working out, and bulking season is well and truly over. But he's looking really sharp in all of his features. The short hair looks so good.
Yung goals and dreams,
and I like it.
not only individually but also yung goals ng group nila, kasi we know na this career and this path na gusto natin gawin, it's not very easy for us, but kayong mga
it's so delicious.
Tulad nating mga artists na talagang nagpupursige para maabot yung dreams, dahil alam natin na meron tayong kayang gawin at ipakita. Kayo dapat din hangaan kasi talagang hindi kayo sumusuko, and that what P-pop is all about. Yung parang fighting for your dreams and reaching for your goals kahit anong mangyari. So ayan, thank you guys.
That was a really great pep talk.
To meet and to, kasi makasama kayo, kasi we know yung ganitong klase, bihira itong mangyari kasi we know na marami tayong schedules and bihira talaga mag-meet ng yung personal, but yung mga ganitong klaseng events, ganito lang tayo nabibigyan ng chance mag-usap,
celebration,
lagi tayo
reunion.
Sa social media nag-uusap, nagpapansinan sa mga stories, mga ganun. But eto talagang harap-harapan, face-to-face, magkikita at mag-uusap. So, pwede tayo magbardagulan kung gusto nyo. But yeah, we're very excited and looking forward
Pablo's very
sa
entertained by that.
mga collaborations
Don't throw it,
natin
pal.
sa Watson's playlist. And thank you so much.
Still for P-pop president.
Right? Oo. For P-pop president! Ganon! Dingo, so.
I want to talk about this whole situation right here because it looks like the lady is in the same place as them. But why does it look like there's also a delay between her speaking, asking a question, and them talking? And it's just absolutely hilarious. Was everybody else's short interview for Watson's playlist the same as this? I just love it. Like, once you give them a mic and you give them a subject to talk about, they will take care of it. And once Stel starts rambling and he's in the mood, it's just absolutely hilarious. I love it. And definitely P-pop president. But you've got some other people to contend with, because Josh is also really good at talking, and Pablo, I'm thinking, should be some sort of a president. I don't know if for P-pop or if just in general for the Philippines he needs to be a president. This was so much fun, and why so short? I am quite interested to go and see the other interviews for the other artists too, especially because this looks like it's going to be one hell of a concert. I was thinking, like, it's very P-pop con, and if I had the opportunity, this is the one that I would go to attend, because I like everybody that is performing at this one. And I don't know if they're hinting or if it's just the translation, but it feels like there's going to be collab stages, a little bit like what we got for Pure Gold, but I don't know, maybe I'm just reading too much into it. It would be great if we did get that though. I can't wait to see when this is going to be. I don't actually know when it is. And I really like the lady that's interviewing as well. I liked her energy. It just felt like she was fangirling. She was just giggly and just having fun, really fun. Overall, I really enjoyed having my little catch up here today. Do talk to me about everything that I caught up on. I can't wait to hear from you. And thank you so much for watching this with me. I hope that you had fun. And until I see you next time, take care. Stay safe. Bye.